Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Why don't you do that?
Hi, so we got the opportunity to be at Team Payaman Fair, and all thanks to Kyo Quijano and Luigi Pacheco, my brother. It was a really good opportunity for Archetypo kasi yun yung pinakaunang booth namin and we get to do it at Team Payaman Fair. So, ito yung mga nangyari. Two by two yan. Oh. Wow! Ano kayo? ID sabihin mo na. Then dito sa video na ipapakita ko, bumibisita kasi sila Pong and V sa mga booths. I think just to show their appreciation. Hindi ko na dito yan. Starstruck na naman ako. Then, after namin magayos, nag-ikot-ikot kami sa SMX so that mapakita yung brand sa mga tao. And then after that, bumalik na kami sa booth namin and then something really good happened.
Okay. Wow! Graduation! 1, 2, 3!
And then medyo nagkaroon ng downtime. So sabi namin, ano kayang pwedeng magandang gawin sa SMX, and then
T-shirt! Ay!
So sa mga umattend po ng TP Fair, kami po yung parang tanga doon ng mga naglalako na may hawak pang hanger. Oh, ano daw, sampayan. Ako, tsaka si Luigi at si Kyo. Yeah, so kami tatlo yun. And then something amazing happened again. If you guys know, Zainab, pumunta siya dun sa booth namin. And then nagbenta siya ng Manu Sense, nagbenta siya ng Archetypo, and ito yung nangyari.
Yung puti, anong size?
Puti? Deadpool, anong size of? Medium large. Medium large na lang.
O, t-shirt! 500!
So if hindi pa lang nakapag-thank you yung mga kapatid ko, thank you so much Zainab sa ginawa mo, nakabenta ako dahil sa'yo. And then thank you to Tonyo and Rana as well, and congratulations to you guys. Let's go my guys!
Hoy! Day 3 na ng Team Payaman Fair. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Hanapin nyo yung booth ko dito. Ayan kami oh. Ay! Shirts kayo dyan! Archetypo, Manu Sense. And hanapin nyo lang to guys. S1 kami. Booth S1. Let's go.
Tapos pala no, kung may naririnig po kayo na may sumisigaw lang randomly, kami po yung tatlo.
Shirts kayo!
Oh, and then binigyan natin si Mr. Eri Niemann. He was very, very kind about it. He was really asking about the product. So yun, and then after nung TP Fair, before it ends, nakalapit ako kay Kong. It's because of Kyo and Luigi. So thank you so much again, Kyo. Binigyan ko siya ng Deadpool because in-interview niya si Deadpool mismo. And then binigyan ko na rin si V na girls na sweatshirt. And then So, kung na-curious kayo kung ano yung pinapakarinig ko sa kanya, yun yung ginawa ko na kanta ko for my girlfriend, who's now my wife. Gumawa ko ng kanta that are based on TP Fair, so there are a lot of references there ng Team Payaman. So, kung gusto niyo pakinggan, ito siya. So, dun sa interaction namin dalawa ni Kong, pinapakinggan niya yung kanta. And then, sabi naman niya, and wait, thank you so much again, Kong, for still accommodating me because I think ngawit ata yung balikat ng yun. But still, thank you so much. So, going back, sabi nga niya na nagustuhan niya. And then, sabi niya, if okay lang daw ba sa akin, nagamitin daw niya soon sa mga video niya. Sabi ko, oo naman! Kasi syempre, alam mo yun, mapapakinggan nilang lahat. So, sana mapakinggan niyo yung kanta. You can just scan the code or I think I'll put it on the description with the link. So, it's on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. So, I don't know how to outro. So, ano na lang, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Kyo and Luigi again, especially Kyo. Thank you so much for hooking me on this gig. Thank you sa opportunity. And then, thank you as well to Team Payaman. So, bye!